back to my channel. So I hope you guys are having a great day. So today I am here with a Colourpop haul for you. In case you're not aware, I am on a no buy because I am currently doing a palette challenge that I was invited to with my from my friend Nat, who's also known as Little Miss Nat here on YouTube, and with Beth from LittleBetsy_79. Their information will link down below. Will be linked down below if you are not familiar with them. So we are doing a palette challenge, and basically every time we make a purchase, we lose a point within that month. So at the end of this month, when I do my update, I will lose a point for this haul, and so that is how that works. So I picked up some of the newer things that they had, and so I thought I would just share them with you. They sent this little card, always super cute. They always send the cutest cards, I feel like. Okay, so let's start with this. I picked up, this is not a newer item, but I've been wanting to try these. This is the Colourpop BFF Cream Gel Color, and I got this in the color Venus. The packaging looks like that. And I definitely don't need another liner, but I absolutely love this color, and I thought how beautiful it would be to have this beautiful red. Look at that. I cannot wait to use this. I saw that and I'm just like, I definitely would love that on the eyelid. I think it's so beautiful. I cannot wait to use it. So yes, a red liquid eyeliner or gel eyeliner. Next thing that I got are these new brushes that Colourpop just came out with not that long ago. I believe they're called the Stone Fox brushes. Let me see. Stone Cold Brush Roll is what it's called. And I did get the other brushes too that they had that came out. I don't care for the rolls. I mean, it would be great for traveling, but it's just the brushes that I want. And definitely don't need any more brushes. When I seen this balled up, I was like, that's not gonna hardly be any brushes, but look at that. Look at all those brushes. It smells very plasticky. It's probably the roll itself. So let me just quickly go through and share with you the brushes without sharing each, oh, they don't have names. Okay, they go by F28 because it's the Stone Fox, I guess. So this is probably the powder brush. I will show you guys a more in-depth video on these for sure. A couple of them got a little bit bent, but that's okay. That looks like a bronzer, blush. So very, very pretty, very soft. I really, really like them a lot. The items that I got are from that I don't know what the collection is called. It is this collection here. So I picked up 2 of the sets and then 1 of just the palette because the third blush and the third lip kit I did not think that I would like. So I'm trying to look it up and put it on the screen. But I got the 2 blushes. This is in Palatile, I believe is what it's called. The packaging is so beautiful. That. Super pretty. And I'll probably do like a swatch video with all of this later on. Okay, this one is Vogue. Like I said, there was 3. I only got the 2 because I didn't really care for the other one. I didn't feel like it would show on my skin because it was very pale and very light. This is like a mauve toned color right there. Very, very pretty. So they came out with 3 palettes, 3 lip kits, and 3 blushes. Borrow Q, I think is how you say it. I could be wrong. This is a very sultry palette. I almost didn't get this one, but I was like, I have to get all 3. Not that I had to. The packaging looks exactly the same. And this is what some of my shadows are messed up. That is what this looks like. It's very, very sultry, very blue. Really, really pretty. I have seen swatches on this, and it's a gorgeous palette. Nothing like that I have in my collection. Ornate, right there. What that one looks like. Now, definitely I have a lot of this colors in my collection, but I mean, why not? Definitely can do a ton of fall looks with that one. Okay, and the last palette is Grandeur, I think is how you pronounce that. They feel so nice. The packaging is like very velvety. And of course it looks just like the packaging. And this is more on the browns side right there. Super, super pretty. Okay, and then I got 2 of the lip kits out of the 3. La Berg. I'm totally butchering these names, I'm sure. Right there. So I apologize about that. That is what it looks like. It smells so good. Right there is the color. Very, very pretty. I definitely love Colourpop's lip products. This other velvet is Fatal. Oh, that's pretty. That is what it looks like. They almost look similar, but this has a little bit more pinky. That is what that one looks like. 2 glosses. This is in Lust. Some glitter sparkles in it, so it's like a pretty like nudie color with some gold speckles. Let's just watch this. It's very pretty. That is what it looks like. And then let's do this other one. I'll show you the all the lippies, and we'll just. This is in Panchi, I believe, or I'm totally just destroying all these names. This is like a pinky color with silvery speckles. Very, very pretty. I don't know why I keep smelling them. They all smell exactly the same, but oh yeah, that's pretty. This one's a little more sheer than the first one, but still very pretty. That is what that one looks like right there. Okay, and let me quickly just swatch these other 2 lippies that I had talked about. These are the velvets. There's that one right there. Last one. And Le Berg. These are very similar, but this one's definitely more on the brown side, where that one's more on the mauve tone side. And don't mind my swatches because they're very bad right there. So beautiful. So excited. Cannot wait to use these products. The blushes and shadows I will definitely swatch and put them on my Instagram. That beautiful gel liner that I got. I cannot wait to put that on my eyes. So beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Cannot even wait. Oh, look, and it's not really wanting to come off either. Not like. Okay, friends, that is everything that I picked up in my most recent Colourpop haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you've tried any of these products, what you think about them. If you did enjoy this video, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and your bell notification if you would like to be notified every time I upload a video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and this is going to complete my video for today, but I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.